Last month we held a giveaway for the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, and the lucky winner just picked them up. If you missed it, wipe them tears because we got a brand new one. This time it's gonna be a little bit different. We're giving you the choice between two fire options. You can either choose the J Balvin Rio 3s or the Bred Force and Industrial Blue 4s, all in your size if you win. To enter, it's super simple. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and drop a comment on which option you would pick. This giveaway is gonna run through the entire month of June. Good luck, everyone.
I keep challenging my team and they keep coming through. Look at this shoe. It's so gross, it's so dirty, and I gotta clean it. What is your favorite Bred One release of all time? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm curious to hear. This is Bred One Satin. I like it a lot. I don't own a pair, but you know, maybe I'll keep these if these are my size after I clean them. I'm not sure. What's up, YouTube? It is Steve, your boy, AKA Mr. Reshoevn8er. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today we will be cleaning these filthy, Satin Bred Ones. But I am up for the challenge. I don't care what the production team sends my way. I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna clean it good. You know, you guys can try to stump me each week if you want, but I'm gonna clean these up. I'm actually gonna be putting these in the washing machine using our signature kit. I got our ultimate kit here that you can find on the website for $88, and it gets you free shipping. So make sure you pick one up if you are interested in cleaning shoes. It's a good thing to do. Just go in your closet, clean all the shoes in your closet, and keep rocking them. Wear your shoes and clean your shoes at the same time. We're gonna go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna take this shoe outside. I'm gonna dust the dirt off it, get it as clean as possible. Before I do that, I'm gonna take the left shoe, set it down here, and we're gonna take this right shoe outside and get it so I can clean it without making a muddy mess. Let's go. We're making a big mess. See the brush? It's not, you can't tell how much dirt came off this, but you can see the shoe now. It's really important to dry brush this so you don't make a muddy mess and you're not just taking more dirt and mud and just spreading it around the shoe. So I'm trying to get as much of this off as possible before I go actually get to cleaning and get this wet. I think this is a good start though. Let's go ahead and head back inside and we can clean this lens because I see a bunch of dust on it, and we'll finish this video. Let's go. All right, we're back. I'm gonna start with the soft bristle brush on these. I brushed the dirt off with the medium, so I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I've cleaned a pair of satin ones before, and really what worked best is putting them in the washing machine. So I'm just gonna do a nice light clean, be easy on this material, go throw them in the washing machine in our laundry bag, pull them out, let them dry, and we'll finish the video. So first thing I need to do, take these laces out. Go ahead and set this lace aside. A little solution, a couple squirts. Go ahead and take the shoe tree. All right, now we can get to cleaning. Soft bristle brush, dunk in the water. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and exchange this water. Doesn't make sense to get most of the mud off and all the dirt and then clean it with dirty water. So let me go ahead and get some new water. I'll be right back. Now that we got some clean water, a couple more squirts. All right, I'm gonna go over these shoes again. All right, now that I got the uppers relatively clean, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the midsoles and then the undersole. So for that, I'm gonna use the medium bristle brush. Those eyelashes? Where'd those come from?
I don't know. He's working, so maybe he went to the club.
All right, now that we got these most of the way clean, we're gonna go ahead and put these in the wash machine. As you can see, I don't wanna ruin the material and there's some staining in here. I don't wanna use a medium bristle brush, so I'm gonna put them in the washing machine and hopefully that gets that staining out of the material, and then we'll let them dry and we'll come back. Let's go. We're in the laundry room. We have our laundry bag. We'll go ahead and put this in here. Cinch it taut. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in a little knot like that, and then we'll go ahead and put in the laces here. Right in there with that, close it down. All right, go ahead and drop them in the washing machine. Make sure you got cold water. I'm gonna do a small load. I think we can be fine with one rinse, and then we'll do slow, fast, regular. And I'll do, medium cycle, right about there. That's it. We are back. The satins are dry. They look great. I knew they would. I knew they'd clean up pretty easy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Considering how they looked before, let's pull this up. Oh. I pre-treated these with our signature kit, and then I put them in the washing machine using our laundry system. Really what that's gonna do is get dirt out of the material. Otherwise you're just mixing the dirt into the material and you're not getting out. And that's really what's gonna give it this super deep clean that we call it. So don't be afraid to wear your shoes, guys. You can clean them. You can get a lot of use out of your shoes and they can still look pretty damn pristine. I challenge the team all the time, get the shoes as dirty as you can and let me see if I can clean them. Again, what we used today was our ultimate kit that you can find at reshoevn8er.com that comes with our signature kit, our laundry kit. It comes with laundry pods. It comes with our drying rack bowl combo. It comes with the cleaning mat so you can keep your space clean, and also some wipes. So make sure that you guys go pick that up. And really, that's gonna do it. If you guys have any questions on shoes that you are interested in us cleaning, please leave a comment below in the comment section, and we will do our best to clean those shoes for you. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We really thank you guys for just tuning in over the years. We've been doing this for a long time, and without you, it wouldn't be possible. So really, if you can support us and just drop a like or subscribe to our channel, that would be very great and we'd appreciate it so much. I will offer you guys another 24-hour discount. So what we'll do today is we will do Steve 20. Steve 20 will get you 20% off for the next 24 hours. If you miss and you watch this video too late, tune in the next Thursday and we'll drop another discount code for you. And that's really gonna do it. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. We really appreciate it here. And that's gonna do it. Peace.